Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video I am going to show you how you can change your name on Bumble. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open your Bumble application. Tap on the profile icon on the bottom left corner of your screen. Tap on your profile picture. Click on Edit Profile. Now as you scroll down, you will not find any options as to change your name since there is no such feature on Bumble. The only way to change your name is to delete this current account and create a new one. So I hope that you are clear about how to change your name on Bumble. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. And if it was, hit the like button and comment below your feedback and questions. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss our upcoming videos.